Promise I don't recognize today.
Eto, gawin ko na to. Sana makita nyo. Ito. The next day na to, guys. Hindi ko na kayo na-update kagabi kasi nga, binack-up ko muna yung phone ko sa ano namin sa desktop, pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin tapos. So, hindi ko pa rin nagagamit. And nandito na sila. And tingnan nyo yung nandito na si Sophie. Mini-makeup niya si Holly. Holly, your lips is very, very red.
Don't tell me that.
Really red. Look.
Like to tile them.
Yeah, it's real.
Let's go.
Are you gonna be a makeup artist talaga? So, say hi to my vlog, Sophie.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
Are you a makeup artist?
Oh.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mga wow, may face care. Wow, mayroon siyang pantanggal ng makeup. And tingnan niyo, mga bago na yung kanyang mga gamit. Yes.
Chuck it in.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi, you look pretty.
I got this.
Zach, go first. Magpapagupit sila.
This is my.
And magpipizza kami. Hi, Cobb. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, okay. So, si Jan umalis. Kumuha siya ng pizza. Wow, may mascara pa si Holly. Wow. First time ni Holly maglagay ng mascara.
come on.
Oh, wait, Papa.
No.
Yes.
No. I think I'm done.
You're done? Let me see.
It's my turn to do you. Oh no.
Oh, no.
She's gonna make me look like a clown. I done enough.
So what? You tried to do
okay.
to me, so.
Can you tie your hair first? Let me see your lashes. Let me see.
Let me.
Tie your hair up.
I
Come
can
on.
do it. Hi guys.
No. Uh-oh.
I'm so close to the goal.
Hey, why is it working? Look.
It is working, Baba.
Maybe you nearly hit that.
Well, I'm.
Let me see you, Baba.
I didn't mean to.
I actually like blending in and just keep on going on that color too.
Wow, may pa-blend.
Blend.
May pa-blend siyang nalalaman. Blending. Okay, purple.
Oh, good job, bud.
Please
The
don't
guy
make
on
me
the other
have a
side.
black eye. I didn't want to put it on my eyebrows. I didn't put it on your eyebrows.
Oh,
I
you
put
can
it
get-
on your eyelids. That's
Eyelid. This is your eyelid, Baba. This is the eyebrow. Baba, listen to mommy. This is your eyebrow. This is your eye.
Oh, it went in.
Does that look like Tito Dan again, Zach?
Come on, come on.
Huh?
Got it, got
Huh?
it, got it.
Yes?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. That's better.
I got it.
You're done? Let me see. Is that your work, Zach, Holly?
Absolutely did it. Look.
Oh my God.
Sophie, how about this?
Oh,
Haba, look daw so. So, look daw.
I think I will put this on.
No, it's too much. Wow, you look so pretty. You have to practice more. Look at what you did to Sophie.
How about she keeps on into
Too much blush on Sophie. Ayan, tinanggal niya na. Ayan, tapos na si Zach. Let me see, Zach. Wow, you look like Tito Dan now? You think so? Hoy. Yeah. Kuya.
Gosh, TJ.
Kay Kuya, makapal ang buhok. Tapos, tapos nang gupitan yung mga boys. Hoy, Daddy asking you, what's on your lips? Lips.
beautiful, sweeties.
What? Okay. Eto, pizza. Pizza kami tonight. Are you gonna cut? Yeah, you're gonna cut your hair, honey.
Yeah, I'm not, but playing life first, right in college.
What did you get, hon?
Excuse me. John.
Hawaiian pizza.
Yeah.
That's Zach. He wanted Hawaiian.
How many?
Ham and cheese.
Here, honey. Wait. And ham and cheese, kiddos, Hawaiian. And what's that one, hon? Meat lovers. Wow. That's ours.
Sit down, Holly. Make sure you don't.
Yeah. Have you tried this? Is it Napoleon pizza, huh?
Ham and cheese or
Cosmopolitan.
Ham and cheese.
please.
Okay, kain muna kami, guys. Ah, that's the other one. The one we used to go. Paradise.
This is traditional Italian.
this is real.
Full on.
Okay, I believe you.
Right, Holly, how long
Okay, let's eat, Kylie. I want this.
I'll take it. The rest should be
Kain.
Oh,
Yummy. Good, Holly?
I normally get the pepperoni cheese one. Just pepperoni cheese. Nice.
Ayan. Meron pang isang natitira. Siguro, are you gonna eat this, Han?
Well,
Yeah. Ayan. Tapos na kayo mag-dinner, guys. Busog na lahat. Good, kids? Good? Is it good, Zachary?
is that what you did?
Chucky boy?
take out tissues there. Get tissues there.
May spider kasi, oh. Tumakbo siya. Baba, is it good, Baba? Your lipstick's still there, Baba.
Over there.
Is it good?
Oh.
Nagpa-manicure siya kay Sophie. Let me see. Wow, well done, Sophie. I'm not touching it. And your toes there? Wow, good job. Wow.
How are your nails? I want to do your nails.
No, I'm alright, Baba.
I'm just doing it so that
No, I'm good.
all play together.
No, I'm alright. Tapos nang gupitan si John. Magpapakulay na siya. Gupitan yung buko mga, siguro mga 1 inch. Kasi may mga ano na. What are you doing, ha?
Fixing it.
Is he actually doing your hair?
No. Ayan, tapos na akong gupitan. Oh. Konti lang naman. And ayan.
Sing it like you do with the car.
Ayan. Kantahan na dito, guys. Nakaligo na siya.
Look what Jack's put on.
Mom's gonna say something.
I miss you. Come on.
Mama already said it was five.
That's too much. Nagre-rita siya.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
Dad, I'm feeding Kirby.
Uwi na sila, guys.
Alright. Ready?
You're flying. Okay, that's it. They're going home, Baba. They are, Baba. So, i-close ko na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Oi.
Bob, good night.
See ya.
Good night. Night.
Oi.
Holly, good night. Good afternoon, guys. Ano na? Is it 3, huh? No, 2:30. Nag-fishing si Jan kaninang madaling araw. What day today, Han? May, ano na ba ngayon? Nakalimutan ko na anong ng petsa ngayon, guys.
I'm gonna see it.
So 56.
Ah,
I mean, the 5th of May. Layard's birthday today.
ah,
Zach's tomorrow.
yes. Yeah. May 5th today and bukas birthday na ni Sak. And ayan na ako. How many tuna did you get, Han? 6? 6? Or 5? 5. So, eto yung nakuha niyang tuna. 5 yan, pero pinamigay niya na yung iba. So, isa lang yung tinira niya sa amin. Meron si Ma'am, tsaka yung nag-fish sa kanya, si James. Mayroon siyang axe. Ha? You forgot? Nakalimutan niya na kung paano niya to gagawin. Oh my God, ang sarap ng panga. Malinis na to kasi nilinis na nila to dun sa ano, dun pa lang sa boat. So wala na siya yung mga tiyan or anumang laman loob ng isdang ito, wala na dyan. So malinis na talaga siya. So i-fillet niya na lang. So, ang laki ng ano, ng panga. Ah, Baba. Medyo malamig. Did you give one for mom? And where's the other? How many James got?
He got two, about two. Because she'll get one. So.
Dalawa kay mom, dalawa kay James, yung kasama niya. And isa sa amin.
And mommy and Nana.
Yeah, Nana. Nana got two. Ah?
You have one.
Yes, we have one. That's enough.
Tail.
Oh, I have to get you a bag.
I'll take you back.
No, plastic bag, Papa. Ang linis niya, oh. Ang kintab. Ayan, wala na siya. Ayan, ang linis na. A good size. Minsan sobrang laki na nakukuha niya. Gusto ko mga ganito lang. Oh, hindi ganun ka... Hindi ba masyadong malaki? Etong knife namin, guys. Sa tingin nyo, ang payat niyan, ang payat-payat lang niyan, pero ang sobrang talim niyan. Pang isda talaga siya, pang fillet. Oh! Kumuha siya ng Baba, do you think that fish gonna fit there, Baba? I don't think so. Thank you, though. Ayan, gagamitin niya na si Axe. Careful, honey. That's good. Axe.
That's not ox.
That's the axe. That's the axe. That one. Alis ka dyan, Baba. Oh, honey. Okay, yeah. Put that head there first. Kumuha ko na. Paglalagyan niya na. Oo. Ayan na yung ulo. Maliit lang, oh. Kuya will be here soon.
And we're gonna do Easter hunting.
The what?
Easter hunting.
You're gonna go Easter hunting kasi may ginawa siya dito sa sala. Come on, Baba. Yung tira niya pa to nung Easter, hinilera ni Holly dito and then hinihintay niya yung mga kuya niya kasi mag-Easter hunting ulit daw sila. Ayan. Naka-ready na. Punta ako dito kasi kuha ko ng hipon. Hipon. Nasaan yung hipon? Hanapin natin yung hipon. May hipon ako dito. Wait lang. Joke lang pala, guys. Wala na pala akong hipon. Meron pa kaming yung hot cross buns. So, kinuha ko na lang yan kasi wala akong makita ang hipon. Ubus na siguro. Yung si Jen, di pa yung siya tapos. Diba nung pinakita ko sa inyo yung isda, ang ganda niya, diba?
Yummy.
Ayan na yung itsura niya. Ganyan po siya mag-opera ng isda. Ang dami niyang tinatanggal. As in, inaalis niya halos yung mga buto. Ayan yung mga tinanggal niya. Ako lang marunong maghiwa. Ako lang maghihiwa nito. Who's here? The boys are here! Oh, yes, yes. And ayan yung buto. Sabi ko, wag niya yan itapon. Sabi ko, i-chop niyang maliliit. Gataan ko to sa kalabasa. Hipon sana ang ilalagay ko, pero yan na lang buto. Nandito na sila, oh, hi. Hi. How's the school? How's school? Good. Ayan, chinap-chop na ni John. Han, can you make it two, please? Because that's too big, honey.
What?
That one. Cut it half again. That one.
That?
Yeah. Gusto ni Kuya shark. You like tuna, Kuya. Oops.
What's your dad?
And this one to Han because that's big.
Dad, was that
Thank
lucky
you.
you caught some fish today?
Huh?
Was it lucky that you caught some fish today?
Kasi diba ilang araw din, ilang beses siya nag-fishing, wala siyang nakuha.
Did you just come on?
Finally, meron siyang nakuha. Hi, Kuya!
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
There's no shark, Kuya.
Ew, eyeball.
Ako hatiin niya yan.
eyeball.
That's yummy, kuya.
The eyeball's bad. Squid help ya?
No, I didn't use them.
Would you just use bait?
Hi.
You should have used a squid. You could have got lots more.
Careful, hon. Natatakot ako sa kanya pag siya ang gumagawa ng ulo kasi dinidiman ko talang tanggalin lahat ba or hatiin sa dalawa. At least natanggal na yung dalawang pang.
Hey, Mum, you
Yeah.
meant to make Zach a cat.
Na yung ulo na, guys. Ah, diba? Good job, honey. So, hugasan ko yan sa loob. Thank you. Ko lang ako ng isa pang lalagyan. And eto, binigay ni ma'am. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-grocery talaga. Yung grocery namin ni dyan nung sumama ako sa kanya sa Adelaide, yun lang. Eto. Ayan, apples. Ayan, tapos na sila mag-Easter hunting. Kunin ko lang yung tuna. Hanapin. Good job! Nakasuot na ako ng gloves kasi malansa yung tuna. Ito, hugasan ko din, i-chop ko. And ito yung chopping board para sa isda. Ayan. Para yan sa isda. And yung ulo, saka yung panga nandun pa sa... Han, can you bring that one? Here, please. Thank you. So, i-set up ko lang kayo dito.
There you go, there's your choni, you're done.
I'm done. Thank you. Put it down.
Thank you.
Ha? Ano? Thank you. Not that one.
Thank you later. Hard work to get that.
Hard work. Well, at least you're done.
Well, that's you done.
Yeah. So, okay. Where's the
Yes.
knife, Han? Ah, ito. So, ito gagamitin ko.
kids, where's me kids?
What? Ah,
I haven't seen you all day. Can I kiss
wala
you?
pa nga. Natusok na tayo ng
Good draw.
buto.
Holly's a good drawer.
Holly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Galing si Holly mag-drawing.
Yeah, big boy.
Tinitingnan ko lang kung nabutas siya.
PlayStation here.
He does, you don't. It's his birthday, you're not like no birthday to him.
Ayan, hindi naman siya nabutas. So, mamaya ko na siya hugasan. Ikat ko muna. Para hindi ba wet yung chopping board.
Get her shirt out and he had that, right?
Ayun ni Holly, ihikis ang daddy niya kasi amoy isda. Ayan, guys.
It's his birthday, TJ, right? It's his day.
Ayan.
Zachary's day, right?
Tomorrow is your birthday, Zaki boy.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. No, no, no. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately. Cause you feel so.
So, tapos ko na ikat yung tuna and maliliit lang siya, ganyan lang. Oh, kasi maliit lang naman tong tuna. And, yung panga, hinati ko sa dalawa. Nahirapan ako pero pinagpupukpuk ko nito. Ito, ayan. And, yeah, hugasan ko lang and ilagay ko na sa plastic. Ito, ang sarap nito kung sa Bicol, yung panga, inunon sa kamyas. Ay, okay. Hugasan ko na sila.
But tell me if you are.
So, tapos ko na hugasan yung laman and yung ulo tsaka panga hindi pa. And si kuya ulit yung magbabalot sa cling wrap like before. So, siguro mga 10 kasi maliliit lang to, oh. Ganyan. 10 ganito kasi maliliit lang naman. So, ready kuya? Is that enough? 1, 2, 3. Is the facial? Wrap it tight. So, alam niyo na yung ginagawa niya. I'll show it to them. So, ayan. Ganito niya binabalot. So, may 10 ang laman nito. So, okay?
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. No, let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know.
So, tapos na kami ni Kuya magbalot ng tuna. So, ayan. And eto pa. And eto. And yung ulo. And dito. Ayan. Yung magkabilang piece niya. So, ilalagay ko lang to sa plastic bag. So, ready na itong ilagay sa freezer. And linagay ko yung puro laman sa isang bag. Dito. And yung lahat ng buto nandito sa isa. And ayan yung ulo. Dalawang ulo nandyan. Sa separate bag din. Para madali ko lang silang mahanap. And madali lang silang dukutin pag kailangan ko magluto. And eto, hinugasan ko to. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-grocery. So, wala na akong ganito. So, as much as possible na pwede siyang hugasan. Kasi nagagamit ko siya tulad ngayon. Nagamit ko siya sa tuna. So, hinugasan ko siya. And yung ulam namin, eto, tuna. Magpiprito ako. And yung maliliit na hiwa, ilalagay ko yan sa kalabasa. Magugulay ako ng kalabasa. So, eto, nahugasan ko na yung kalabasa. Hindi ko siya babalatan kasi gusto ko pag nagugulay ako ng kalabasa kasama yung balat. So, yan. So, eto na yung kalabasa na merong tuna. Lutuin na natin siya on. Okay, kunin ko lang yung takip. Medyo kumukulo na siya and nagpipito na ako ng tuna. So, luto na etong kalabasa and eto yung tuna. Gusto ko sa tuna talaga pag prito ay tostado. Kaya ganyan ang itsura niya. Pero malambot siya sa gitna. Ayan. So, kain na kami guys. Ayan na yung kalabasa. Kumuha siya dyan ng tubig. Ay, it's ready. Ito na yung kanila. Pagkain sila kuya, ayaw nila yung kalabasa kasi sobrang malambot. Tartar sauce. Si kuya gusto niya tartar sauce. It's yummy sauce, kuya. So, yan na sila. Ito yung sauce nila, oh. Tartar sauce. Okay. Welcome. Huh? No, there's no bones. Okay. Baba, here's yours. Welcome. Careful. Kanina pa pala kami tapos kumain and tulog na yung mga boys. Kami na lang ni Holly ang gising and ako. Hinintay ko talaga makatulog si Sa at si TJ kasi gagawa ko ng cake ni Sa kasi birthday niya bukas. So, ayan, gagawa muna ako ng cake and ito yung tirang kalabasa. Ilalagay ko yan sa rep. So, gawa muna ako ng cake ni Sa.
Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground. Hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need.
Tapos na namin gawin yung chocolate mixture. Ilalagay na namin ito sa oven. I-bake na natin ito. Ano na, 12:15 na. Gising pa rin si Holly. Hinihintay niya talaga ako. And eto, magluluto ako ng sushi rice kasi si Sa request niya to eh. So, lutuin ko na siya. Then, bukas ko gawin. Madaling araw na, 1:25 na. And si Holly, nakatulog na siya habang nanonood kay Dora. Ito na pala yung cake. Luto na yung cake. And yung ating sushi rice, luto na rin. So, bukas ko lang, mamaya ko lang ito tatapusin. So, yun ang guys yung vlog natin for today. Good night, good morning. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, good morning, bye.
Dice, tell me who you see, 'cause